Magnitude 5.6 earthquake that struck Cianjur, West Java, Indonesia on Monday has left many people in despair.
Although emergency response is taking place now, many of them are still looking for their missing family. Metro Globe Network's Adwin Kurniawan has the story, narrated by Brilliant Syaheran.
Earthquake victims say emergency response has good progress. Soon after President Joko Widodo visited some spots in Cianjur on Tuesday, more and more rescuers and huge number of volunteers were deployed. They are doing rescue operations, which are focused on about a dozen villages in Cianjur district. Police, soldiers, and other rescue personnel are now looking into under rubbles, hope to find the missing people. Though there are a number of heavy equipments, rescue teams are still working on landslide area, using jackhammers, circular saws, and sometimes their bare hands and farm tools, digging desperately in the worst-hit area of Cianjur, where tons of muds, rocks, and trees were left from the landslide. It's been more than 48 hours after the quake struck and time is running out for people who trapped under the rubbles. For some people who survived the earthquake, it becomes hard time. Muhammad Tohir, a father, is losing his sister and 2 children.
Cuman sedih aja yang diratapin di sini. Karena ini tadinya penduduk rumah banyak, ya Pak, tiba-tiba kayak begini. Rasanya gimana ya? Kayak kiamat aja, Pak. Karena ibunya sama anaknya 2 gitu loh.
Though Muhammad Tohir involves himself into rescue operations, he have to witness part of the wall and pole of house covered by soil. The situation could make him losing hope.
Cuman persoalannya ini penanganan, Pak, yang belum steril. Penanganan dari pihak terkait, ibarat dari pemerintah setempat harus sebenarnya nggak sampai 3 hari, Pak. Ya mudah-mudahan kita, harapan kita, besar sekali harapan kita, Pak. Mudah-mudahan kita masih ditemukan. Biar berupa apa, yang penting kita ketemu.
Muhammad Tohir is not the only one who is waiting to see his family for the last time. There are lots of people are doing the same. Officials said many of the dead were public school students who had finished their classes for the day and were taking extra lessons at Islamic schools, where the building suddenly collapsed.